Hello everyone, this video is about this Qubo Dashcam Pro X that I bought from Flipkart, and this I need for the safety of my family and myself in case there is a road rage accident or somebody hits my car and runs away. So I installed it myself. I didn't have to worry much about it, so because the wire goes from there and down there, you can see the secret lighter is there. After installing it, very easy. I don't have to tell you all this thing. Suppose if I put the ignition on, ignition is on, so now you can see it's blinking red. Now I'll start in a few seconds. A lot of chapris and a lot of fraudsters are there nowadays, so you need a car like this. So that's the sound it makes. It says now we are recording. So I have my phone. I have already connected the Qubo app, so I'll show you what is the Qubo app here. There is my Qubo app. This is the one. Let me connect it. This is the interface that we see once we connect the Qubo app, and if I click on it, it's asking me to connect to Wi-Fi. I have not connected, so let me open the Wi-Fi. And where is my Wi-Fi? There it is. So if you connect to the Wi-Fi, then it will connect. You see, Qubo is connecting. I'm really happy to install this in my car. It really protects me from all those fraudsters nowadays. These drug addicts are there, and all those people are there who literally come in front of your car and try to extort money from you. So this one records by itself. You don't have to do anything. You can see there's a gallery option. If you have clicked yourself something you have saved in the app, it'll come there, but I'm not interested in gallery right now. I'm interested in this one, trips and recordings. This is what I'm interested in. This is auto record. You see, 24th is today's date, and yesterday there was none because the car didn't move. 22nd the car moved. You can see so many videos are already there. So these are all there in the TFT card of the Qubo Dashcam. So many days. Every time the car gets ignition on, it records. Currently also it's recording right now. So you see, nighttime also is a good view. So you can say it depends on how big is your TFT card that you are using. Mine is 128 GB and it serves me well. I never had to worry. So for 24 today also it has all recorded. If I click on it, you can see it will play, but it will not move because I'm sitting in the car. Let me go back, and this thing you can easily see and you can download. You can also, while going driving the car, suppose you don't want it to just save only in the TFT card, you can also record from here on demand. This will record the live video in your phone directly. I can stop. It's asking me to stop. Yes, stop, and it will save in your phone gallery. That easy it is. I love this camera. I suggest you all buy it. Once you have a very expensive car, you're spending 5, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs in your car, you better have a dash cam also. Please do not be that stingy. This Qubo is very budget friendly. It is around 2,900 something, I think 3,000 around. And if the sale is going on, you can get even for a better deal. But if you have a better car, bigger car, I suggest go for dual channel. That is Qubo, same company, for behind or rear also and front also. Mine one is only front. I love it, but I feel that the back one should be there also. So this is Qubo camera, and this is your host here. I definitely recommend it. In the description the link is there for Amazon, and on the screen you can see product link is there for Flipkart. You can buy from anywhere, for which I'll get some affiliate commission. Thank you in advance. Now you notice one more thing. If I off the ignition, you see it's still on for a few seconds. It's still on for a few seconds. I don't know how long, but so for few seconds it's on. So that's it from my side. This is Qubo, and have a nice day. Bye bye.